Think you can take on the challenges of a modern workforce with just any laptop? Think again. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 Business Laptop 16.0 is designed for the toughest tasks and the toughest users, packing a punch with its AMD Ryzen 5 7530U 6-core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabytes PCIe SSD. But is this business laptop a cut above the rest? We put it to the test, from its high-quality display to its impressive multitasking capabilities, and share our honest review with you. In today's fast-paced work environment, the line between work and play is constantly blurred. Business users need a laptop that can keep up with their demanding schedules, handling everything from document editing and data analysis to video conferencing and presentations. But what sets the ThinkPad E16 apart from other business laptops? Its unique blend of performance, features, and value makes it an ideal choice for professionals who need a laptop that can adapt to any situation. Let's take a closer look at this powerhouse of a laptop. The first thing I noticed when taking the ThinkPad E16 out of the box was its sturdy build quality and sleek design. The 16.0-inch WUXGA IPS display, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1260 Hz refresh rate, is crisp and vibrant, perfect for working on graphics-heavy projects or streaming high-definition content. The backlit trackpad is responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through menus and applications. But what really sets the ThinkPad E16 apart is its feature set. For starters, the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U 6-core processor delivers unparalleled performance, handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing video or crunching data, the Ryzen 5 7530U's got you covered. The 16 gigabytes of RAM ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to keep multiple applications open at once without experiencing lag or slowdown. And with the 512 gigabytes PCIe SSD, you'll have plenty of storage space for your files and programs. One of the standout features of the ThinkPad E16 is its built-in fingerprint reader, providing an additional layer of security for your laptop. This biometric authentication method gives you peace of mind, knowing that only authorized users can access your device. But what about connectivity? Don't worry, the ThinkPad E16 has got you covered, featuring 802.11ax Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and a gigabit Ethernet port via RJ45, ensuring you stay connected to your network and devices. But before we dive into the real-world testing, let's talk about the included Dockztorm Hub. This versatile docking station adds even more functionality to your ThinkPad E16, allowing you to expand your display, connect external hard drives, and more. It's the ultimate accessory for any business user, making it easy to set up your workspace and stay productive. Now that we've covered the features, let's put the ThinkPad E16 through its paces in real-world scenarios. How does it perform in document editing, data analysis, and video conferencing? Can it handle multiple tasks simultaneously without lagging? We put the laptop through a range of tests, from working in Google Docs to streaming 4K video on YouTube. In our tests, the ThinkPad E16 excelled, handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether working in Google Docs or streaming HD content, the laptop performed flawlessly, never experiencing lag or slowdown. We were also impressed by the ThinkPad E16's ability to multitask, handling multiple applications at once without hesitation. But no laptop is perfect, and the ThinkPad E16 is no exception. Our only real criticism is the lack of USB-A ports, which may be a deal-breaker for some users. Additionally, some users may find the laptop's dimensions to be slightly larger than they would like. However, these minor quips aside, the ThinkPad E16 is a powerhouse of a laptop that checks almost every box for business users. When compared to competing business laptops, the ThinkPad E16 stands out for its impressive performance, extensive feature set, and value for money proposition. While other laptops may offer similar specs, none match the ThinkPad E16's comprehensive approach to business computing. So, who is the ThinkPad E16 for? Business users who need a laptop that can handle demanding tasks, professionals who require extensive connectivity options, and anyone looking for a reliable and efficient computer to get the job done. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 Business Laptop 16.0 is an outstanding choice for business users, offering an unbeatable combination of features, performance, and value. Whether you're working in finance, marketing, or healthcare, this laptop is designed to meet the demands of your job. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient computer that can keep up with your schedule, look no further than the ThinkPad E16.